going to talk about Lesson 5 graphic file formats. So, what are graphic file formats? It is a standard way to encode and store digital images, illustrations, or other visual data on a computer. The choice of file formats when developing a presentation is crucial because it should be supported by the application program to be used to ensure that it will run without any problems. Another issue is when with graphic formats is just a size requiring a smaller size of the image used. Common graphic file formats used for multimedia and their characteristics. .gif. The graphic interchange format or .gif was popularized by the CompuServe Information Service in the 1980s. This graphic file uses an 8-bit index color with 256 or fewer color palette which can be supported by most of the web browsers today. It is mostly used for saving graphic arts, line arts, and screenshots that may require lesser detail but more of a solid color. Now we're moving on to .jpeg. Another file format used for multimedia and the web is Joint Photographic Experts Group or the JPEG files. Considering this and comparing it to the .gif, this is more convenient and has a better quality. This use a 24-bit true color image in full color. See? The JPEG format is tremendously popular because of its quality and its easy access with its small size and patronized by the photographers, web designers, medical specialists, and artists because of its image quality and fidelity in color. The file is small in size that can be easily be stored in memory storage devices. JPEG files uses the lossy compressions that it loses some detail of the images, but it doesn't allow to retrieve the losses anymore. .jpeg files are good for photographic images as well as images for uploading on the internet and sending through email. Its file size makes it capable of transferring, opening, and saving image formats around the internet in a faster way. .png, portable network graphic, or the and oh yeah, it is pronounced ping. That's silly. It is an image format developed by a consortium of graphic software developers as non-proprietary alternative to the GIF image format. This is also very common. Like the .gif format, the .png or ping file supports a full range of colors, image transparency, and automatic correction for display monitor gamma. An added feature to this format is the capability of embedding text description to the image, which engines could locate for easy references. BMP. This format is sometimes called the bitmap or the DIP file format for device-independent bitmap, which stores images arranged in an array of map bits. These bitmaps This bitmap file either be compressed or uncompressed data. .tif tag image file formats, abbreviated as .tif, is a file format for storing images such as photographs and line arts. So not only can .jpeg can do that, guess we can use .tif as an alternative, although I do know that TIFF is mostly used for printing. This is the file originally created for desktop publishing the page layout application, and .tif files are generally large but are very important, especially when archiving of documenting images and documents. And that's all we're going to talk about graphic file formats. Thank you for listening.